Body came back from powder coat primer. Sanded the firewall. Getting ready for the satin black engine bay painting. Beginning to look like a real car again. Gonna put the spray in sound deadening later, next week. Last week did the undercoating. Lighting's not that good, and it's black, so it may be a little hard to see. So they are going to start the massive reassembly process. Engine, transmission, suspension, rear end, fuel cell, and they may even be able to drive it to the painters when it's ready to be painted. And there's a tub where the fuel cell sits in. First time I've seen it this way. And there's rear cage bars going into the back. So the sound deadening will be, insulation will be sprayed in next week, and then they'll start the reconstruction or reassembly. And here's the powder coated subframe done black, and wrapped up there is the inner tubs for the front, ready to put together. Here's a close-up of the cleaned up factory welds.